Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting journey where we dive into the incredible features of ManagePlus and explore how to manage and customize the workflow. Now let's get started. Click on Manage Board to unlock a world of possibilities. Choose the Work Board. From here, click on Flow Setting. Here you see the multiple templates flow. To zoom, press CTRL and scroll up. And for Move, press left click and drag. This is the way of our task. At first, our idea was entered into the My Ideas draft, then moved to Discussion and More. By clicking on these icons, you can add one more stage to this flow. Enter the stage name. Add default Asini if you want to add, or you can skip it also. Then choose the stage color and simply save. Cool! You see the stage is perfectly added. You can edit all stages. To edit writing, click here and edit according to your use case. Here you can also change the place of this stage. Just click on Update. Want to create more content types? Click here and create a new one. Enter the type name here and save to add the stage. Fantastic! The new type is successfully added. Want to assign a higher authority to your teammate? Click here and add the user as a manager. To unleash the full power of ManagePlus and discover even more features, sign up now. We can't wait to welcome you on board. Until then, happy managing